Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about diet and what constitutes a balanced diet. We will also learn various food groups. Kids. Diet is the food and drinks we eat every day. It helps us grow, gives us energy, and keeps us healthy. Kids. All living things need food. Food is the fuel that provides living thing energy. Do you know? To stay healthy, we need balanced diet. Balanced diet provides all essential nutrients in the right proportions to maintain health. This is a picture showing a healthy diet. It has all the groups of food. Kids. You know groups of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fruits, vegetables, and dairy. First are carbohydrates. They include bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes. Carbohydrates give us energy. Next are proteins, like meat, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. They help us grow strong and repair our bodies. Third type of food is fats. They provide energy and support cell growth. Oils, butter, avocado, nuts are sources of fats. Next comes fruits and vegetables. It includes colorful foods like apples, carrots, and broccoli. They give us vitamins and make us healthy. Last is dairy. Foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt are dairy products. They give us calcium for strong bones. And also, not to forget, we need water. It is vital for hydration and bodily functions. Now we will learn benefits of balanced diet. It provides energy for daily activities, supports growth and repair of tissues, boosts immune system, reduces risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and it also linked to improved mood and cognitive function. Hope you liked my video. Do give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.